If the thought of selling your home is leaving you feeling completely overwhelmed, that's totally normal. I'm here for you. Let me break it down. Step 1. Very important. Define your why. Why are you planning to sell your house? This is a crucial step. This is very important. Are you moving for work? Are you moving to be closer to family? Are you moving to be further away from family? Are you needing more space? Do you need less space? Are you upsizing, downsizing? Why you are moving is going to influence your timeline, and it's also going to influence decisions that you make. The next step is a very good idea to find out what the market value of your property is. Now, I'm not saying go stand at the braai and hear from Oom Piet what Uncle Sarel sold his house for, because those are normally not true. I'm talking about having a comparative market analysis done for your property by a qualified agent. I can help with that. No strings attached, and yes, it's free. Then we have to look at the market. What is currently happening? Are properties selling quicker? Are they taking a little bit long? And also we have to look at your competition. People are going to compare your house to other houses in the market. The big question that always comes up is, should you make improvements? I'll need to see the house. Once I've seen the house, I can make a recommendation. And this is what I do for my clients. So if selling is even remotely on your radar, reach out to me. Let me help you with a smooth, smart move.